Good afternoon. My name is Andy Gunner. Today I'll be speaking to you about energy conservation and the impact that you can have on it. According to an International Society of Automation website, accessed on February 26, 2014, it found that International Energy Outlook study predicts that world energy usage will increase by 117% between 2008 and 2035. What this means to each of us is as our cost to produce energy increases, our cost to purchase energy will also increase at a very alarming rate. From 2005 to 2012, I worked with a team of engineers and facility professionals to reduce the overall energy consumption of a manufacturing plant in western Wisconsin. In that amount of time, we were able to reduce our natural gas and electrical bill by $3.5 million. Today I will talk about energy conservation, how it affects us, and how it can be implemented in each of your businesses and residences. Tackling energy conservation can be a very daunting task. Make sure to make it a team effort. Everyone can make a significant impact, and small projects can add up to a large reduction in cost. A 2009 International Energy Agency publication noted that industry accounts for nearly 1/3 of global energy use. Prior to formally creating our energy conservation team, we had a large number of small projects and opportunities that were found and resolved with no real progress made towards the goal of reducing our energy bills. A January 2012 publication of InTech magazine notes, identifying low-hanging fruit can obtain results that will allow higher capital expenditures projects to move forward. Our group ideas were compiled into projects, and the projects were entered into a simple spreadsheet. This process brought quick returns on investment and often allowed us to complete projects with no capital. This process also helped us justify larger projects that did have capital expenditures. The same process can be followed in almost any business and/or your home. As noted in the same January 2012 publication of InTech, it takes nearly 394 pounds of coal to keep a single 100-watt incandescent light bulb burning for 12 hours each day for a year. Our industrial team implemented numerous lighting programs which removed exchanged inefficient lighting with high efficiency, high output lighting. This process can be achieved in your own home by replacing inefficient incandescent lighting with LED lighting. Utilizing technology such as LED lighting can really provide a large impact. Using technology can also help you show your progress. We utilize the spreadsheets and other technologies to formulate our team and provide success in our team. Utilizing the people and resources around us really helped keep moving the team forward. As our industrial team implemented projects, the process itself generated new ideas and new projects. As new team members came on for those new projects, they also brought with them new ideas. The use of technology can greatly increase the success of projects. The book Energy Technology Transitions for Industries notes that energy efficiency in industry has improved significantly in the last decade. Additional improvements are still possible through the use and implementation of new technology. Technologies such as smart meters can help both industrial and residential customers. It allows you to help understand your month-to-month bills and energy consumption, and even down to a day-to-day bill. This allows you to avoid peak energy times. Other technologies such as devices like the kilowatt can be rented or purchased from either your local utility provider or your local hardware store. These devices let the end user know how much energy is being utilized when the equipment it's monitoring is either off or on. Remember that there is help out there to get a team started. Although many of our team had engineering backgrounds and a lot of understanding of the process, many of these free resources helped allow our team to be successful. Contact your local utility provider. Both large and small utilities have a large number of free or low-cost resources available to help you get your team off the ground. A lot of local utilities also use groups such as Focus on Energy to provide assistance. Our local chapter of Focus on Energy provides structure in the form of spreadsheets. It also creates or finds subsidies and money available from the Department of Energy to implement some of your lighting projects. Groups like the Industrial Assessment Centers, or IACs, are also available for support. According to a December 2012 edition of Quality Magazine, since 1981, IACs have performed nearly 15,000 assessments, resulting in 117,000 recommendations. These recommendations resulted in nearly $5.6 billion in savings. Many of the same methods used to reduce energy can also be used in industrial and residential settings. Energy conservation should be a team effort, and always be aware of new opportunities. Thanks, and I hope this has provided you some additional information on energy conservation.